What's in
Caleb's
toy room? So what's in Caleb's toy room today? Actually, what happened today? We went shopping, right, Caleb? Yeah, and then Daddy got dun-dun, Nintendo Switch. Daddy's got a new toy. And Tauntaun, Mommy ordered something actually. And that's Mommy's toy. Caleb is gonna tell us which one is Caleb's favorite toy. Daddy's toy or Tauntaun, Mommy's toy. What do you think? You want to see? Alright. And before we do that, well, maybe it's gonna be a little bit tricky for Caleb to decide all by himself. So how about Caleb call your friends up? Okay. Now we're gonna call up our friends and then we're gonna ask their opinions too, right?
Hello.
Hello?
I'm Caleb.
Hi, what's up?
Can you come over to my house?
Oh, sure. Sure, Caleb. I'll come over. See you in a bit.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello?
Hello?
My name is Caleb.
Hi, I'm Grover. I thought we were friends.
Your name is Super Grover.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's right. I'm Super Grover. What's up, Caleb?
I can make a noise.
My belt can make noise, yes. Hello, everybody!
Hello.
Hi, Caleb. What's up?
Can you come over?
Sure, I'll come over right away. See you in a bit. Bye.
Hello.
Hi!
Your name is Skye.
Hi, that's right, I'm Skye. Who are you?
Caleb.
What's up, Caleb? Oh, long time no see. What's up?
I've seen you before.
Oh, I know. Maybe yesterday. What's up, Caleb?
Marshall can come over.
Marshall can come over too?
Yeah.
How about me?
He can come out.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
See you in a bit.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Caleb. Oh, there's Optimus Prime. Oh,
He got a purse. See?
oh, he's got a purse. Cool. There. And woo, hello, Caleb. Thanks for inviting us.
Yes.
Oh, you give him a kiss. Oh, that's cute.
Hi, Caleb. I'm here with Marshall too. Woof, woof. Aw, that's so sweet. So there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of you decide which toy is your favorite. Okay, this one, Nintendo Switch, and The Legend of Zelda, the special edition. Ooh. Yeah, okay, let's open. Sorry, Zelda. Ooh. All right. There's a lot of bags here. Take these bags out. Whee! Take the bags out.
They're really big. I got popped them.
Oh, that's gonna make a big noise. Woo! Okay, what's in here, Caleb?
For monkey.
Superman keychain. Woohoo!
I like Superman keychain. I like that.
1 point for Mommy. Are you hanging on her? It's a keychain. Good. All right. How about this one? Ooh, tan tan tan! DC superhero girls. Harley Quinn to the rescue. Whoa! Oh, Optimus Prime likes superhero girls, Daddy. Ooh! Ta-da! The city. Ooh, look at this. Caleb, look. Ta-da! And
Caleb's learning how to read. Clock. Digital clock.
Marshall
There.
likes it.
Marshall likes that one? Okay. And whoa, look at this. Batman keychain. Ooh.
I like Batman.
Yeah, cool, hey?
Skye's like Batman.
Skye likes both keychains?
Yes.
Ah.
She likes Batman.
Yeah?
Because she watched the movie before.
Mm. Okay.
I understand.
And this is the cool one. This one is the special edition Disco Batman Tears of Disco Batman and Tears of Batman.
Can I see?
Oh, Daddy's excited to see it. He's very interested, curious, very, very curious, Daddy.
Daddy? I'm going to build these ones.
You're gonna build those ones. And look at this one. This is a special edition one too. Ooh, Crypto saves the day. Whoa.
That's super
Look at this,
cool.
Caleb. Ta-da. And this was on sale. Santa. All right. And there's the Batman poster. Woo! Are we gonna hang this up? Are we gonna hang this up? Back in black and yellow. Ooh, this is cool. All right. So that's it. Empty box. What? So Caleb started to open his the cape.
The cape.
Yeah.
Even in the.
So this is it. Yeah. See? Ooh. That's a cool one, right?
Gold foil.
Oh, it's a golden one. Whoa, look at this golden cape. Whoa. So cool, oh my gosh. Golden one. Ooh. Oh yeah. Okay, is Caleb all done? Yeah? Okay, let me see. Ooh, so this is the Disco Batman, I think. Yes, Mommy built it. And Caleb, can you show me? It's the Tears of Batman. Oh, that's really cool. They can dance together, Caleb.
But he had roller skates.
Yeah, roller skates, and then he can dance. They can dance together. Whoa. Do you like that one?
Batman goes over.
Oh, Batman goes on top of Zelda game, and then he fell down.
Ow.
Ooh, so Caleb just finished building all the little packages. So there's Crypto, that's Super Dog. And there's Superman keychain. And then there's Disco Batman. And Clown Batman. This is Disco Batman, this is Clown Batman. And then there's the Batman keychain. Oh, so there's Batman theme and then there's Superman theme. I didn't realize, actually. All right. Is Daddy ready to open this? Dun, 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 dun. Woo! Nintendo Switch. Caleb, do you want to help Daddy?
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, he's still busy playing with the Batman. Ooh, Caleb, look. Oh, it was so hard to find, Caleb. This was so hard to find. Ooh. Wow, it's really tiny. Whoa, the controllers are really tiny. Look. Look how small this is. I can just hold it like this.
Bubble wrap.
Bubble wraps, yes. Caleb likes bubble wraps, right? Ooh. What's inside, Daddy?
Well, let's see here. That looks like a toilet.
No, there's one more.
There's a box, yeah. Oh, Caleb's opening. What is that?
This is for you to control on the camera.
Yeah?
For the TV.
That's right, it goes on the TV. That connects to the TV, right?
It goes like this.
Oh, you know that already. Oh, cool. Can Daddy open this? Or are you going to open it?
Nintendo Switch, the dock.
That's the dock, yes.
This is the
That's the actual console.
Oh. Very cool. Caleb, is it cool? Is it cool? He's not talking. He's very focused. Oh my goodness. He's very excited with Mommy's toys and Daddy's toys. I don't know which one wins. Ooh. Look at Caleb's busy eyes. It slides in.
And then how do you put this on? How do you put this on?
If you need to, you take it apart. And you can just take this with you the whole thing.
Yeah, and then you can play when you're in the car, road trip.
You can take it with you in the airplane.
Yes! Airplane too, yes. So Daddy can play this Zelda game in the airplane? Ooh. The Legend of Zelda. Wow, the Shadow of Calamity? Very cool.
Cool.
So this is it. Well, I kind of wanted the neon color one, but who cares? We found it. It was so hard to find it. Everywhere it's sold out. So, just black one. I'm happy with it.
And then when you get this controller, beep 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 beep
Beep beep beep beep beep beep beep beep beep beep beep beep beep beep beep.
beep beep.
All right, now we have to decide who wins. Caleb. Well, Marshall, what do you think? Well, I really like the Switch game. Ooh, Nintendo Switch. So Marshall chose Daddy. How about Optimus Prime? Well, I think I like the Zelda game too. What? I thought Mommy's gonna win.
But I like others.
Grover likes Mommy's toys? Yay! 1 point for Mommy! How about Skye? Well, I like Crypto. He's so cute. I choose Mommy's toys. Well, so 2 versus 2. So Caleb, you make the last decision. Which one do you like? Mommy's toys or Daddy's Nintendo Switch? Mommy? Yay! Mommy wins! I guess 4-year-old still likes hands-on playing toys, I guess. Oh, look at this. Daddy just opened the box of the Zelda game.
Yep.
The special edition one. And then,
It comes
look!
with a Nintendo Switch carrying case.
And this is so cool looking.
Yeah, it's very well made. Open it and check it out. There's compartmentes. One for accessories. Right there. The games go here. That's incredible. The Switch games.
So they're
are
gonna be
very
making.
tiny.
Oh yeah, they are. And
They're
then
like SD cards.
so they're gonna be making a lot more, assuming, because they have so many slots for it.
So many extra slots.
Yeah. All right, Caleb. Did you like all the toys? All right, Skye is happy with Crypto, and these guys are all here with Nintendo. All right. Okay, so I think Caleb and Daddy will have a game night. Yeah? Bye, kids. Thank you for watching. That's right. Thank you for watching What's in Caleb's Toy Room. And we looked at Mommy's toys and Daddy's toys. And actually, Mommy's toys won today. And please subscribe for more fun videos. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye. Oh, Caleb is playing with Batman. And Batman says goodbye. Can Batman say goodbye? Or he's gonna fly away. Goodbye, Batman. Super Batman. Goodbye.